Well, Iowa State University has a clear goal to become a leader in the ag equipment industry, not only with developing new technology, but also technology that's more efficient. And Iowa State may be well on its way thanks to a lab that will open next month.
Welcome to the Off-Highway Vehicle Chassis Dynamometer Lab at Iowa State University.
Called Dyno Lab for short, this large lab is geared toward work with off-highway equipment, both agricultural and construction.
It's designed to measure the power that a vehicle can produce through its wheels onto the ground.
The interest is driven by making off-highway vehicles more efficient.
So we're interested in taking the fuel, measuring the fuel into the vehicle, and then understanding how well the vehicle does in converting that to useful propulsion energy.
The Dyno Lab can load and test different aspects of a vehicle.
These are the motors that are used to load the vehicle,
to understand where the power is going through it.
and they're able to load up to 600 horsepower for each corner.
As it acts almost like a souped-up treadmill, but with rollers.
This allows us to do studies of efficiency of converting that energy in the fuel into propulsive energy. We can also measure PTO in the back. There's a PTO dyno also, so we can measure that. And we're developing a hydraulic dyno as well.
The first test run in the lab was done with an agricultural sprayer.
There's 6 rollers for each one, 6 of these 20-inch rollers, and then there's a smaller roller right here.
But this lab can handle equipment with either tires or tracks.
When we have a wheeled vehicle, we lower this one as it is right now, and we'll cradle the wheel right in that kind of well there. When it is a tracked vehicle, we'll raise that one up, and so it will create as flat of a platform as possible.
What makes the Dyno Lab so special is the fact it's one of a kind in North America.
What makes it unique is its flexibility, its level of power that it's able to load to. There will be similar units inside of some companies. Some of the manufacturers will have that, but having something like this at a public institution is pretty unique.
So just how much power can it handle? 100 megawatts worth.
That's like the power used for 1,000 homes. We can absorb more power than any vehicles today can produce. So we're planning for the future.
For a project that started just over 5 years ago, it's now on the edge of running on all cylinders soon.
We really want to be a leader in the ag equipment industry in terms of developing new technology, being able to develop technology that's more useful for agriculture, and really moving the needle ahead on things like energy efficiency, functionality, all those things for agricultural machinery.
Now, while the Dyno Lab will be fully operational by next month, the grand opening is planned for November 17th right here in Ames. Well, that does it for U.S. Farm Report this weekend. Thank you so much for joining us, and a big thank you to Bex for making another College Roadshow stop a reality this week. From all of us at U.S. Farm Report, thank you so much for watching, and be sure to join us next week as we work to build on our tradition. Have a great weekend, everyone.